Hello again from OGS Mechanics Workshop. Another interesting job which hope we're gonna give you some useful information. This Audi Q7, which has a similar technology like the Audi A6 with an electronic steering lock. Those models, they were built from 2006 up to 2014. What's the problem? You put the key in the ignition and no start. Obviously no lights on to indicate whatever is the problem. It can be several problems, but one of the common things that we are discussing here is the electronic steering lock failing. And in these particular cars, the job is not very easy. And if you come closer, you'll see why I'm saying that. So the electronic steering lock is part of the column, and main dealer will only sell it complete. Now I can tell you exactly how much it is because we had to price this one up, and it's in excess of £1,700, so 1,700. Now luckily, with the technology that we have, we can install reconditioned electronic steering lock. And this is the steering lock. Is a control unit that it has double function. It has the immobilizer function and also the steering lock. It's an, like I said, the name it says electronic steering lock. Common reason for failure, there are micro switches, the electronic motor, and something very strange on this one, the data has been wiped out. Very strange, could be a battery, a flat battery, but we rarely came across on such situations. So basically, when we looked at it and tried to read the immobilizer data, there was absolutely no data. However, we have managed to get a reconditioned unit. We have programmed to the car. We have saved the customer consistently compared to the option of buying the whole new steering column from the dealer. So, a glimpse again in our activity here in OGS Mechanics and Car Key Solutions. We can undertake very comprehensive jobs like it is this one, replacement of a reconditioning electronic steering lock on an Audi Q7 and saving the customer a lot of money. I hope this gives you a glimpse in what it could be potentially the problem when your Audi Q7 or A6 won't start. If you like to get any assistance, please do get in touch. We'll be more than happy to assist and advise. Leave a comment below and we'll be more than happy to respond with any queries you might have. See ya!